Niagara-on-the-Lake is the prestigious home to some of the oldest and most established wine-producing vineyards in Canada, and one of the world's largest producers of ice wine. A prolific name on the world stage, this region anchors rich, fertile soil and a unique microclimate, stunning vistas and pristine countryside, making this wine region a notable tourist destination and a coveted location for future wine growers that dream of producing an estate-labeled wine worthy of awards and accolades. I'm Christina Mrachek, broker and founder at We Are Home Real Estate Group with Sutton Summit, and we welcome you to almost 23 acres of untapped potential, minutes from the historic Niagara-on-the-Lake at 1581 Concession 2 Road. This parcel of land is currently used as a fully producing peach farm and has come to market for the first time in 60 years. Situated with the advantage of an extensive frontage, exposure to 2 roads, and the sheer size of the land allows the future buyer to hold the prestigious estate winery title and the ability to produce and sell wine from grapes grown both on and off-site. A historical element to this listing is the meticulously cared for and mostly original, almost 2,500 square foot colonial home built in the mid-1800s. Artisan craftsmanship speaks to the era of construction, and beautiful details run through this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom homestead. The kitchen includes an original tin ceiling and maple hardwood floors. It opens directly to the dining and reception room and is greeted by ample natural light. Beautiful details include original pine plank flooring upstairs and original oak and glass pan doors. Towards the back of the main house is the large barn with fieldstone walls on the main floor and hand-hewn beams. Built in the traditional Pennsylvania barn style, common in the United States and Canada prior to the 1880s. Breathing fresh life and modernization to the space, this 1,610 square foot barn can be well suited for various functions, such as a winery, reception area, wedding venue, a farm-to-table venue, or store. In addition, further outer buildings include an original ice house and 2 smaller barns, and a second smaller barn that houses the cold storage. A notable feature to this region is the unique proximity to the deepest of the Great Lakes, Lake Ontario, that helps to moderate air temperatures year-round. Paired with an early spring and the appellation's second notable feature, the Niagara Escarpment creates the perfect climate to nurture grapevines. The monthly temperatures in Niagara-on-the-Lake are similar to those in Bordeaux and Burgundy in France, and often described as Niagara's Sonoma Valley, with a mainly clay loam mixed with sand, silt, and underlain red iron-rich Queenston shale bedrock known to produce bold wines. In addition, the property includes municipal water and 3 wells, one of which is an artesian well. The property is fed by the Harrison Ditch, which runs through the property and provides a drainage outlet and water irrigation source. With only 44 wineries in Niagara-on-the-Lake, located near the Wine Tour bike path, historic Old Town, minutes from award-winning wineries like Inniskillin Wines and Reef Estate Winery, this land is unmatched in its agribusiness potential.